Our top 5 Best Wi-Fi SD Card. Number product. Pentax Wi-Fi White SD Card. This review is doing double duty for this card and my old Kindle Fire HD, purchased in 2013. This card is allowing me to put my old Kindle to a new use. This card allows you to use a web browser to remotely view, adjust most settings on a Pentax K3, and take a photo. It is designed for the Pentax K3. It will work with other cameras, but not to its full potential. Number product. Toshiba FlashAir 4th Generation SD-WiFi SD Card. So far, the FlashAir 4th Gen card works great with Canon 5D Mark III. I'm very happy with it as long as it continues to work as it does now. Yes, there are no printed instructions in the package. Download the Toshiba FlashAir app from the Apple App Store. It gives you concise and very easy to follow instructions in the app as soon as you open it. Number product. QUMOX Flash Memory Card Adapter Reader Wi-Fi SD Card. Insert the media card into this adapter, then insert the adapter to the CF socket of the device. To extract the inserted media card, please directly pull the card out. Be noted that to use the Wi-Fi SD on CF-supported camera, the time of the auto power off setting should be properly adjusted to give Wi-Fi SD enough time to finish the Wi-Fi transfer. Number product. FYSETC Display Screen SD-WiFi with Card Reader. Wireless transmission. A Wi-Fi SD card adapter only supports a 2.4G network. Make sure the adapter and PC, Mac terminal connect to the same network. Please note, comes with an 8G card detail user guides in the package, not for use. Suitable for 24 volts 3D printers, such as Prusa MK3S, TFT35V3.0, Ender 3, SKR Mini E3V1.2V2, etc. Need more help? Please email us, we will give you help within 24 hours. Number product. Spectec Mini SD-WiFi LAN Card. Picked up one of these wireless cards used for about $20. It is very convenient for times when my notebook. The connection speed is very fast and stable and my PDA has no problem connecting to available wireless connections. Thanks for watching this video.